This lecture introduces performance management and pressure in human resource management. We will explore the key concept, process, and method used in evaluation employee performance. This topic is important because it connects employee performance with organizational success. In this lecture, we will define performance management and performance appraisal. We will also understand the importance and uses of performance appraisal in organization. Finally, we will discuss the process, criteria, and method used in the performance evaluation. Performance management is a goal-oriented process to ensure productivity at all levels. It focuses on aligning employee performance with organizational goals. This process is continuous and involves integration of different HR functions. Performance appraisal is a formal system used to evaluate employee performance. It usually happens at specific intervals such as annual or semi-annually. Although often disliked, it is essential for feedback and improvement. Performance appraisal help identify strengths and weaknesses of employee. It supports decisions related to training, promotion, and compensation. Despite negative perception, it plays a critical role in HR management. Performance appraisal involves setting standards, evaluating performance, and giving feedback. Performance management ensures that employee performance aligns with organizational goals. Both concepts are closely related but serve different purposes. Performance appraisal help career planning and employee development. It provides a basic for pay and promotion decision. It also helps correct weaknesses and reinforce good performance. Performance appraisal is used for HR planning, recruitment, and training. It also supports career development and compensation decision. Additionally, it helps assess employee potential and internal relations. Appraisal systems help identify employees for promotion and development. They provide valuable data for decision making. They also support fair and objective HR practices. Performance appraisal is influenced by external and internal factors. External factors include law and labor union. Internal factors include organizational culture. Organizations must ensure appraisal systems are fair and non-discriminatory. Legal cases have shown the importance of unbiased evaluation. A supportive culture improves the effectiveness of appraisal system. The process starts with the identifying performance goals. Next, standards are set and communicated to employee. Finally, performance is reviewed and discussed. Performance criteria include traits, behaviors, and competencies. It also includes goal achievement and improvement potential. These criteria must align with organizational goals. Traits include characteristics such as attitude and initiative. Some traits may not directly relate to job performance, therefore they must be used carefully in evaluation. Behavior refers to how employees perform their tasks. Examples include teamwork, leadership, and communication. Positive behavior often leads to better performance outcomes. Competency include knowledge, skill, and abilities. They are essential for successful job performance. Organizations must focus on relevant competency for evaluation. Goal achievement focus on result rather than process. Employees are evaluated based on outcome can control. This outcome should contribute to organizational success. Improvement potential focus on future development. Organizations should not only evaluate past performance, they must also prepare employees for future roles. Performance appraisal can involve multiple evaluators. This includes supervisor, peer, subordinate, and customer. This approach provides a more comprehensive evaluation. Supervisors are the most common evaluator. They are in the best position to observe employee performance. However, bias may sometimes occur. Subcoordinate can evaluate their managers. This method provides insight into leadership effectiveness. However, it may lead to the bias of fear of retaliation. Peer work closely with employees and understand their performance. They can provide honest feedback. However, they may hesitate to criticize the colleague. Employees evaluate their own performance in self-appraisal. This encourages self-awareness and development. It can also increase motivation. Customers provide feedback based on service experience. This helps organizations improve service quality. It also increases equity among employees. Telecommunicators must be evaluated fairly like office workers. Clear performance standards are important. Evaluation should be based on objective measures. Performance appraisal is conducted at specific intervals. It is usually done annually or semi-annually. Continuous feedback is also important throughout the year. There are many methods used in performance appraisals. The choice depends on organizational goals. Each method has its advantage and limitation. This method collects feedback from multiple sources. It provides a comprehensive view of performance. It is widely used in the large organization. This method rates employees based on specific criteria. It uses skills such as excellent to poor, is simple and easy to use. This slide shows an example of a rating form. It includes traits and performance level. It helps standardize the evaluation. This method records significant positive and negative behavior. It provides detailed examples of performance. It ensures evaluation covers the entire period. This slide provides examples of critical incident. It shows how performance is documented. This record helps improve future performance. The essay method involves writing a description of performance. It focuses on key behavior and achievement. However, it may be subjective. This method compares performance to the standard. It is commonly used in production jobs. It provides objective evaluation. Employees are ranked from the best to worst. It helps in decision-making life promotion. However, it may create competition among employees. This method compares employees in pair. It helps identify the best performer. It is more precise than simple ranking. This is some example related to the pair comparison method. Thank you for listening. We will proceed to the second video for this chapter.